Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal Moon, Little Crystal Moon, and
Shadow
Darkness. And we will be reacting to some Gacha Life in a Nutshell videos. We're not planning to make any because we suck at nutshell things. And yeah, so we'll be reacting to that, hoping there are no bad words. Did I subscribe to someone accidentally? I didn't mean to subscribe to you. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Anyways, sorry. Let's start reacting. Ready?
The one who's at the top, go out.
Which one?
This one.
We start with that one? Okay. Yeah. We're starting with this one. We're scared.
Yeah.
At least I'm scared. I don't know if Shadow's scared, but okay. Disclaimer: this video is not meant to offer everyone. It's made for the community disability. Please don't take it seriously. Other than that, enjoy.
Hello, my name is Twinkle Toes.
What a beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Twinkle Toes.
Oh my god.
Okay, so again.
School used to be great, but one day something happened that changed everything forever.
What happened? Did you start getting bullied?
No.
This is the story of how I got replaced.
Sad. I never got replaced before.
Me too.
Oh, I honestly don't know. In fact,
you're a loner. You're a loner at school. You don't talk with anyone. You barely have any friends.
Yes, she does.
I'm talking about you. You.
Oh my god.
Okay, whatever. Let's continue.
Since when were people able to just replace someone? First, let me introduce my friends. This is Salmon Cookie.
She's beautiful.
Hi, Salmon Cookie.
Salmon Cookie or Salmon Cookie? Ew! Like, imagine eating a salmon cookie. Oh my.
That would be disgusting, Joe. Why could you say?
Yeah. Anyways, let's continue.
Loves making puns all the time. And honestly, she's really annoying. Next we have Idol to pay off my taxes. She draws all the time.
I don't pay off my taxes? I don't understand, but okay.
That's literally all. Now that I think about it, she really wasn't a good friend. And lastly we have Edgy Gel Fights. She knows karate, boxing, self-defense. She also knows how to use 8 murder tools. Why? I don't know. She just does. Why did I agree to this? Now let's begin. We were just talking about completely unrelatable things, when suddenly, hey girls, have you heard? Today, Spoiled Singing Brad is finally coming to our school.
I wouldn't be excited.
What? OMG, are you serious? Who? What? You don't know who Spoiled Singing Brad is? I can't believe I'm your friend. She's the most...
I don't know who you are. Like, what? Like, for example, well, that happens sometimes. Like, for example, I remember there was this one there's BTS. I think you guys know BTS. And I went to my friends and I was like, hey guys, BTS just released a song that's like super cool. And some of my friends didn't know who were BTS, but I wasn't like, I can't believe I'm your friend. I didn't say that. I was like, oh. And I just showed them the song. I didn't like be like that. I don't know why they're getting so mad just because she didn't know who it was.
Famous model and singer to exist, and she's coming to our school. Isn't that amazing? Oh, yeah, totally.
You liar.
Friends suddenly decided that whoever this girl is, she's better than me.
Okay, hold up. Just to start it, they never said that. They never said that the new girl was better than you. Like, I don't see it in their faces. They just think that she's like cool because she's famous. They never said that she's better than her.
Yes. They never said that.
That's one thing though. I just to point that out, they never said that. Just saying.
I mean, sure, she was a famous model, but still. But sadly, this video has to continue. So.
Exactly. Is she crying or what's the story? Me too. When I cry in the morning, I go. Wait. How's she even crying? Okay, let's continue.
How could my friends ditch me for her? And so we started hanging out together. Is there anywhere for me?
Wait. Who the heck? Oh no, I didn't want to go see this face.
How could my friends ditch me for her? I'm so...
Do you guys see that in the corner? We have something amazing there. Beautiful.
We started hanging out together. Is there anywhere for me to sit? Oh, sorry but no. Oh, okay, I guess.
La la la, walking with my eyes closed, like everyone should.
Yes, I do that every single day.
I can't believe it. Oh no.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, I guess. Now can you please get off?
Beautiful.
Right.
Wow, she was kinda hot. Wait, what am I saying? Why am I saying she's hot? I don't even know her. Oh well, who cares?
Gotcha logic.
But then, she spread a rumor. Huh? What's with all the noise? I heard that Twinkle Toes likes pancakes more than waffles.
So, what's wrong with that? I like pancakes more... Oh. I actually like them both, but I can't choose, actually, because they're both good. Which one do you prefer, pancakes or waffles?
Both.
You never even ate a waffle. Like, you don't like waffles. I remember that one time we went to that, like, one Christmas party. They were giving away, like, those type of sugary waffles, I think, and you didn't eat it. You didn't like it. You bought a candy cane.
It was real. Okay.
You prefer pancakes over waffles?
Yes, I do.
It's true. Pancakes are delicious, though. I prefer sugary waffles. They're delicious.
What does she mean?
What's the problem? Shadow
waffles?
prefers pancakes over waffles. Even Nicola does. And what? Whoa.
And what's
I hate her now. What? How could she...
That's not a reason to hate someone.
That can't be true. What? She's lying. That's not true.
And even if it is true, that's not a reason to get mad at someone.
She's lying. She's a bad friend. Let's replace her with me.
The heck? That's not something you say.
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
That's not.
Lipstick. Yeah,
we get it. And
You look.
No, we don't insult.
You look like.
No bad words on this. We don't say bad words on this channel, except for that one video. Anyways, we'll continue.
What? Are you crazy? I can't believe you would even want to do that.
Beautiful. That's beautiful legs right there. And see, purple people are amazing.
So now, I'm gonna punch you like the edgy girl I am. Let's go, Twinkle Toes. And she's such a brat.
Yeah, you're talking about yourself there. You're a brat, not her. Okay, let's continue.
And so, they abandoned me, but at least Edgy Joel Fights stayed with me. And then she introduced me to someone. So, who did you want me to meet? I wanted you to meet my cousin. This is a Joravintera.
Are you guys sure you're related? You don't look related. Okay, let's continue.
You're the girl I fell on earlier today.
Hi there, I guess.
Wait, you know each other? Well, yeah, I fell on him today. Oh, that's great.
I thought your friends ditched you.
Well, yeah.
Wait. How do you know that her friends ditched her? How do you know?
I think he's spy.
Probably gotcha logic. Let's continue.
Excuse me. I never said you can ask that, you dumb pancake.
Excuse me, pancakes are not dumb. Anyways, let's continue.
I'm sorry, my dear cousin, who I definitely love more than anything.
And so, we all became fries. We would spend days...
Wait, did she just say, and so we all became fries? Or did I hear wrong? Hold up. Did I hear wrong or correctly? The third wheel. Anyways.
And so, we all became fries. We would spend days...
I knew it. She said that. Okay. Lamau. Anyways, look right here. You see the purple? That's the third wheel. The third wheel.
Doing really stupid and unrelated stuff, and of course Agilevine Terest fell in love with me. Why? Because it's the power of cliches. And then
it's the power of gotcha logic.
One day I unexpectedly met my old friends, as if we weren't still going to the same school. Well, if it isn't the pancake lover, well, if it is...
What's the problem with pancake lovers? I adore gosh. Oh my gosh! I adore...
Oh my gosh, Crystal!
Sorry. I adore pancakes. What's the problem with pancake lovers?
And the spoiled brat who supposedly knows how to sing.
Burn.
Whatever. At least I have pretty friends. At least I have real friends.
Oof.
I'm tired of you being annoying, and
I'm tired of you talking.
I'm tired of you wearing lipstick.
What's the problem with lipstick? Ladies all over the world wear lipstick.
I hate
Like,
guys.
Gacha Life lipstick doesn't look really nice. But, like, in real life, lipstick looks amazing. Anyways, shush.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue.
I'm tired of saying that, so I'm challenging you to a singing battle at tonight's talent
Oh, Jesus.
show.
Look happy. Why is she
Because,
staring
I don't know. Let's just watch.
There is no talent show.
Oh no, I can just force the principal to adopt me.
Why is she doing that?
Because it's the power of making you laugh. And
No,
shush. Let's continue. The viewers don't want to listen to us talking. They want to watch the video. Now, shush.
And force him to put on a show. You
You can't do that.
weren't supposed to say that. And who cares? Get ready to be beaten, once and for all.
Don't touch you, coronavirus. You give away the coronavirus.
Sure you'll lose. Sure she lose.
Okay,
No.
now let's continue. Shush.
And so, we started practicing. Cause apparently 3 hours is enough time to compose a song and melody. So this is
Yeah, I compose songs in like 1 hour. Like I remember I like to compose songs too. Okay, I'm just joking. Composing song is like composing a song, it can be done unless like if you have a good thinking and stuff. Good thinking. If you have like a good imagination and stuff, and you can compose songs quickly. Well, songs can be composed around like 2 hours, I think. But melody, that's another problem.
the creative arts room, where we do everything that's not school related.
Yep.
And this is where we will practice.
Yeah.
So get an instrument and we can start.
Yeah, no.
What? Excuse me, but are we gonna ignore the fact that you just pulled that drum set out of thin air? But don't you know that's normal? It's the power of gacha logic.
Voila.
Okay, that really doesn't explain it, but I might as well try. Oh my waffle, it's my dream guitar.
What the heck are you of interest? Not you too.
Why don't you try it, Twinkleters? You might like it.
And fine, I'm gonna agree even though I really don't want to. What the heck? Why do I have a microphone? Let's
Power of gacha logic.
begin singing the song we obviously all know. What do you mean? I can think of 8 songs we all know. Look, Twinkletoes, if you wanna win the competition, then we better start now. And fine.
What was that? Okay, just pretend it's a beautiful melody, okay?
Okay.
Oh wow, that was kinda hot.
Well,
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Clap your hands. I can't clap because I'm holding something. Okay,
definitely win the show. We're so good we don't need to practice anymore.
Yeah.
And then came the day of the show. And once again, we were talking about stupid unrelated
that's not a pretty sign. I don't like it. And it's
stuff. And then I saw a poster with her and my old friends.
Don't worry, tonight we will beat them.
You're right. And then we continued talking about unrelated stuff. Wait, why are we in different outfits?
Because the creator forgot to change our outfits. And it also makes us look super edgy.
Oh, that makes sense. Get ready to be expelled. What do you mean expelled? That wasn't part of the deal. Well, I managed to force the principal to expel the loser, so, is that even legal? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the talent show of this unnamed school. Today, Pink Crown Squad will face against Edgy Hoodie Squad. Now let the battle begin. First we will listen to Pink Crown Squad.
Seit wann feiern wir das bei uns?
Barbie girl in the Barbie world, life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world, life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Barbie's not your.
Well, you
Just shut up. Let's just. Let's just continue, please.
HH.
Get this torture over with.
That was great, I guess. Now we will listen to Edgy Hoodie Squad.
Let's see.
Oh wow, yippee. That was so bad, I mean great. Now I will announce the winner. What? We only just performed. How could the judges make up their opinion in a matter of seconds? Because no one wants to watch like 10 more minutes of your pointless dialogue. And don't question me, or else I will disassemble your molecules. Of course, your waffliness. Anyways, let's announce the winner. And so, the winner of this unnamed school's talent show is Edgy Hoodie Squad. Let's clap for them and the power of plot convenience. What? How did you win? G-R-R-R-R. Didn't you hear her? She said it's the power of plot convenience. He's the loser who needs friends now. After that, everything went smoothly. Spoiled singing brat was expelled and blamed my old friends for it. Too bad. It's all your fault. Even though you have no control over my bad singing, somehow it's still your fault. I'd want to pay off my taxes and Samankaki tried being friends again. We sorry we were stupid. Please be our friend again. Well, let me think. There. And of course, me and Genevieve Terest started dating. And that's how my story ends. I once was replaced by my friends, but everything is now better.
Okay.
That was how do I say it? Beautiful, I guess. Okay, see that you chose the last one. I'm choosing this one. I mean the next one. Oh my god. I don't even wanna. How about? See that we don't have that much time left. I think we're gonna watch this one. I hope they top it.
Gives birth. Oh look, I have kids now.
Okay.
Oh, that blonde one looks so cute. I'll name her Barbie. But this one looks like a rat. I'll name you Justin Bieber. Shut the hell up. I'll kill you.
You can't just do that. I'm calling child services.
You're not allowed to cry.
I'm calling child services. Michael, call child services.
BB, okay, child services. There's two evil.
Okay, let's just continue.
There's a.
Only mine, you ugly rat.
Epic fight scene.
Good job, Barbie.
Oh,
Now we will set her corpse on fire.
Not today.
You are so dead.
No, you. Drinks all milky. Oh no. She's waking up.
cringe.
Can you go back? I want
No, thank you.
to see the baby thing.
No, thank you.
Please.
No. Anyways,
Mm.
no. Anyways, okay. That was cringy. Okay, let's continue.
Did you just drink all my milk?
I don't know.
You will pay for this.
Ouch. Backflip.
How?
But I need food to survive.
I don't give a shit. Have a nice day at school. Bye bye, mommy.
Yes.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hey, look. It's my ugly sister, Justin Bieber. Let's bully her.
Oh.
You look like a rotten banana. Look.
What?
Wow. Beautiful accent, by the way. Even if you look like a rotten banana.
Yeah.
A rotted, even a rotten orange. You're rotting right now. No offense to the people in Guide to Life who have orange hair. Let's continue.
You are gay.
Welcome. Let's go shopping.
Hold up, let me go back. What did he say? I need to listen to that. What did the sad boy say?
Head on your face.
I don't mind that. It's enough. That's enough. Let's go.
Wait, I clicked on the
Justin Bieber. Let's bully her. You look like a rotten banana. Lol.
You are gay. Lololol.
What's the problem with being gay? You got a problem against
Wait
gays?
a minute. He said you look like a voodoo doll.
He didn't say that, stupid. He said you are gay. What's the problem with being gay? I'm gonna come punch you. Let's go beat him up. Anyways,
That's enough. Let's go. Hi.
you call that bullying? That's called insulting. There's a difference.
Be my friend. Now.
Yeah,
OMG, really? Wait. What's that on your
I'd totally be her friend.
face?
I don't mind that. It's nothing. I'll give you a makeover to look pretty.
This is the sweetest thing
When I saw this for the first time, I thought she was gonna murder her while she made her hair.
someone has ever done to me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
What a good friend. She's gonna go murder somebody.
Let's go shopping.
Yeah, she ditched you. Now she's gonna go murder someone.
What? You copied me. You can't
When did your hair grow? Your tiny hairs.
copy me. They kill you.
Barb.
Not a reason to kill someone.
Oh no. I always loved you. Justin Bieber.
What is this?
Eyes.
No, Barbie. Don't leave me.
It used to get my best friend.
Okay, let's go to 2.
I want this candy. I want this dead fish.
Good for you.
I want this gun. I want these drugs. I want this.
Wait, what? Why are you letting your daughter buy drugs? Anyways,
Who wants a gun?
I
Who
don't know.
wants a...
Wait, okay. You want me to imitate her? I want you to shut up. I want to take duct tape. I want to put it on your mouth. I want you to be quiet. I want you to just shut up. There you go. Let's continue.
Bomb. I want this poison. I want this axe. Stop. You can't have everything. Don't tell me what I can't do. Die. Dead. Now nobody
And who's gonna buy you those things? Haha.
can stop me. I'm so smart.
Freeze.
Watch.
Oh no. Wait. I'm just 5 years old.
Does it look
You
like
can't arrest me.
Yes, I can.
Boom.
Are you ready for school? Yes, I am. Oh boy.
Oh Jesus. This doesn't happen in real life. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wow, I'm not even gonna talk.
It's the gangsters.
Hello, ladies.
Nosebleed. Really?
I'm nosebleeding.
You will fall for me.
Make me.
She doesn't like you.
You try it, Stephen.
Ow. My head hurts. Will you kiss the baby?
Ew. Ew. Disgusting. I want to go puke. What did he say? He said, I don't even want to repeat what he said. Oh my gosh. You should have listened. Haha.
That was the dumbest pickup line I'd ever heard.
Thank you.
You try it. You're the best at this.
Looks
Yeah, talk without your mouth open.
like you're tough to get. Don't worry, I have a trick for that. Be my girlfriend or I'll kiss you forever.
Ew.
Oh,
I'd move to the other side of the country.
Hell no.
There you go. Ew.
You pervert.
So what's the answer, baby?
She said.
Fine.
Ew.
Cool. See you around.
What the hell? He forced me to relationship. I hate him.
Yeah, exactly. Ew.
Rachel,
Why are you sad? I'd be happy.
right.
How could you? I thought you loved me.
It isn't what it looks like. She kissed me.
What
I don't
it looked like.
even know her. And I don't even like her. I love you, Rachel. And only
What is this?
you.
Watch.
If I can't have you, nobody can. Watch out.
It's always like
Oh no.
Goodbye, Brian.
No. Don't you dare die on me.
Dies.
No, Rachel. No.
okay, so far like 3 people died in each story. I didn't like it. What was that?
Son, today you are 18. That
Let's call him Marco.
No, Jordan!
means you have to
You were supposed to say that.
pick a new wife.
But father.
No buts. Maid bring princesses.
Yes, your majesty.
The pink one is Matilda.
Oh Jesus Christ! Are those princesses or are those plants?
And the green one is Slime. Have fun.
Man.
Hello there, Cupcake. Let's have some fun.
Oh hell no.
What? Do you like what you see?
Yeah.
Get off me. Cry. Marry me or I'll kill you.
Oh Jesus.
Someone help.
I'm
Stop. Lucy. I am so glad that you're here. Marry me. Sure.
Jesus.
What the heck? You can't marry a maid.
Dad, but we love each other.
I don't care.
Sad.
You're going to jail.
Come on, let's get married. But your dad will stop us. Don't worry, he is arrested.
Why are you arresting me?
What was that?
Because of maid abuse.
You can't arrest me. I'm king.
Yes, I can.
What do you want from me? Why can't you just leave me alone?
Listen, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? It's too late for apologize. Everyone hates me
Too late for apologize.
because of you.
I had a reason why I bullied you.
Why?
I like you.
So you bullied me because you like me?
I know that you hate me.
Ew.
I forgive you.
What the heck,
Beautiful.
Bish?
This is not great start at relationship. Hello there, classmates. I'm Emily. I hope
When you're the only girl in the class. Just to say, we're only 4 girls in my class, so I know how it feels.
we can be friends.
But this is all boys school.
Sad.
Shit. Hello there. My name is Genio.
I
I'm
love the look on
Zach.
Ariel's face. Her name's Ariel, I think. Zach, Genio, Zach, Ariel. I like the red look on Ariel.
Can you help me? I need to find my class 2A.
You're in my class. Let's go.
Why is Ariel like
Okay.
after school? Here we go.
Hey, baby. Wanna have some?
What the heck is these stories?
What the heck? Why is she naked?
She's not. She's wearing under. Oh my god.
god.
Someone call the police.
Okay.
I need popos. I need the police. 911. There's something scary at my door. Okay.
Fun? I don't want to. I'm gay.
Oh, when you realize, it'd be like, hey, I like you and stuff, and then the other person would be like, sorry, I'm gay. Embarrassing.
I'm out. I hope that you don't mind that I'm gay.
I hate gays.
Cries. What you
Sad. Why would you say that?
want?
I wanted to say that I'm gay. Please forgive me.
I hate gays. Okay, what do you want? Oh, I just want to say I was gay. Total logic. Gotcha logic. Arrow is back.
Okay.
I'm not going to.
Isn't that dumb and kids?
I'm not even going to ask. Oof.
We are
blasting
blasting
off
off
again.
again.
Arrow. Oh, I think they're from another series, and their names sounded familiar. Credits to this gacha tuber. Her name is. Credits to what's her name? Cat. It was gacha stuff. Credits to her. Well, me and Shadow are gonna go eat potato chips and watch some cringy gacha live videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. this video.
And
Shadow.
leave a like and a wait.
And
One more thing. One more thing before you leave.
What?
Go down.
What?
Go down.
We can watch this later.
More.
No, we're not watching that crap. Anyways, well, bye guys. Marco, Shadow, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. We love you all.
We love you.
I'm not going to sleep.